But with the genius formula, it was clear. It's very clear. I have transformed like a 3,000 account to 9,015. It was very easy. It was very easy to transform money. That's it. My name is Saiji Marwen. I'm from Paris. It's study science of Earth. I'm now a beginner trader. I'm trying to study market. And now I'm sharing my experience with method of Keith Wong. It was especially his genius formula. It was very good for me. I was introducing the forex trader and the gold trader back in 2013, I think. When my teacher and professor he shows us a course for cycle of Milankovitch. It was to study the mathematical repeating in geology, in the earth and the rock sediment and stars. In my research for this document, I have seen some document in W.D. Gann. It was time and price and the pattern of the time price method. That's what I found about market, gold, and forex, and how math can be used with W.D. Gann. My first trade, it was back in 2018. It was a disaster. It was a disaster. I have see some study from other harmonic pattern from W.D. Gann for time, but I didn't understand the thing. I was I said I have seen also a study of the nine square of W.D. Gann, but it was very complicated. The math in it, it was very complicated. How to do time. I It was a disaster for the beginner. I was a disaster. The main study, it was YouTube video and some article and W.G. Gann self study. That's it. My first account, it was 5,000 euro back in 2018. It's not demo account, it's a real account, and I have blown up the account in like two months. Now zero euro in like 2 months. It was a disaster. First, I don't understand the market. It was very hard. I did it the change formula, and it felt very easy. When you put a trade, you know how to enter the trade and how to exit the trade. That's the secret. That's the secret of my. It's very dynamic. You can stick your nose in the your PC and do nothing, but the format is it's very easy. It's very easy. The math in it, it's very easy. You can exit the market whatever you want. You can see the support and the resistance. It's very easy. There's nothing to do, nothing to say against. It's like a blast. It was wow. What's this? It's very dynamic, very precision. The formula was easy to understand. My personal record, it was from 5,000 to 3,000. No, 5,000 to 9,000, and from 3,000 to 15,000 in like 6 weeks. For my best trade when I was sick with coronavirus, it was in 10 days in solitary. It was from 1,000 to 2002 or 2003 in euro. Best thing I have is the gold market. The gold market is very fast. It's very fast, and all the people I know from Telegram or some friend I have who do trading, they sell the gold. They blow up their account very fast. But with the genius formula, it was clear. It's very clear. I have transformed like a 3,000 account to 9,015, and my during the lockdown in 10 days, I have transferred 1,000 to 2,000, 2004 or 2003, I think, in euro. It was very easy. It was very easy to transfer money like that. That's it. That's it. For me, from my experience, I have no regret, zero regret when I do the formula with Keith. It's anyway, you have paid something and you have a service, and Keith gave 40 days to do the explanation. What you do more, what you want more. Uh, I advise everybody to do the trial of $1. From $1, that's the point. That's the good thing in Keith method. It he he gives you a way and tell you go. If you go, you are a winner. If you don't go and take the risk, that's all on you.